Hey there, crypto enthusiasts and curious minds. Have you heard the buzz about Pi Network? This intriguing cryptocurrency has been making waves, sparking curiosity and debate across the digital landscape. From its unique approach to mining on mobile devices to its ambitious vision of a decentralized future, Pi Network has captured the attention of millions worldwide. But what's all the fuss about? Why is everyone talking about Pi? Well, let's dive in and explore the latest developments surrounding this captivating crypto project. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. We'll uncover the recent whale activity that's got everyone talking, delve into the highly anticipated Mainnet migration roadmap, and analyze the technical factors influencing Pi's price trajectory. Join us as we navigate the exciting world of Pi Network and uncover the potential it holds. Let's cut to the chase. What's Pi's price looking like these days? As of today, April 26, 2025, Pi is trading at around 63 cents, according to Brave New Coin. That's a significant dip from its all-time high of $3 back in February 2025, but hey, that's the crypto market for you, a roller coaster of volatility. Despite the recent downturn, Pi still boasts a respectable market cap of approximately $4.3 billion, placing it as the 31st largest cryptocurrency. Remember though, the crypto market is still in its early stages, and rankings can change faster than you can say blockchain. The big question on everyone's mind, will Pi bounce back and reclaim its former glory? Well, that's the million-dollar question, or should we say, the $4.3 billion question. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get interesting in the world of Pi Network. Remember those whales we were talking about? The ones with deep pockets and a knack for making waves? Well, they've been busy little beavers lately, and their actions are sending ripples throughout the Pi community. Recent data reveals a massive accumulation of PI tokens by these crypto whales. We're talking about over 41 million PI. That's a whopping $27 million worth, scooped up in just 2 days. Talk about making a splash. But wait, there's more. We've also witnessed significant withdrawals from major exchanges like OKX, including one whale who decided to cash out a cool 48 million PI, a cool $31 million. So, what does this all mean? Are the whales losing faith in Pi, or are they simply playing the long game? One of the most significant developments on Pi Network's horizon is the highly anticipated Mainnet migration. This event is not just a technical upgrade but a monumental leap forward for the entire Pi community. This crucial step will mark Pi's transition from a closed network to a fully operational decentralized blockchain. It will enable users to conduct transactions, develop decentralized applications, and truly harness the power of blockchain technology. Think of it as Pi's graduation ceremony, its grand entrance into the world of established cryptocurrencies. This milestone will open up new opportunities for innovation and growth within the Pi ecosystem. The Pi Core team unveiled their roadmap for the Mainnet migration on April 18, 2025, outlining their vision for a decentralized future where Pi powers a vibrant ecosystem of applications and services. This roadmap is a comprehensive guide that details the steps and phases involved in achieving full decentralization. They also revealed the maximum supply of PI tokens, capped at 100 billion, with allocations for the community, foundation, liquidity, and the core team. This strategic distribution aims to ensure the long-term sustainability and growth of the Pi network. However, the announcement wasn't met with universal applause. Some stakeholders were skeptical about the ambitious plans and the challenges that lie ahead. Some community members expressed concerns about the lack of specific timelines and updates on crucial aspects like dApp development and exchange listings. These concerns highlight the need for ongoing dialogue and transparency between the Pi Core team and its community. It's a reminder that even in the world of cutting-edge technology, transparency and communication are key. The Pi Network's journey to full decentralization is a complex and multifaceted process, requiring the collective effort and trust of its entire community. Section 5, Tokenomics and Supply, Understanding Pi's Potential. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty of Pi Network's tokenomics and supply dynamics. These elements are fundamental in understanding how Pi Network operates and what its future might hold. These factors play a crucial role in shaping the value and long-term potential of any cryptocurrency. Tokenomics in particular can influence investor confidence and market behavior. Remember those concerns about whales potentially influencing the market? This is a common issue in the crypto world where large holders can sway prices. Well, this is where it gets interesting. The Pi network has a unique approach to managing its token supply. Over the next 12 months, a substantial 1.5 billion PI tokens are scheduled to unlock, which is a significant amount. This averages out to around 130 million tokens each month, or roughly $83 million entering the market each month. This influx of tokens could have various implications. The gradual release of tokens is designed to ensure a stable and controlled supply, which is crucial for maintaining market stability. However, some observers have raised concerns about the potential for price dilution as more tokens become available. This is a valid concern that needs to be monitored. Additionally, the fact that the core team currently holds a significant portion of the total supply, 35 billion PI to be exact, has sparked debates about centralization and its potential impact on Pi's future. Centralization can lead to questions about control and governance. The community and investors are keenly watching how these dynamics will unfold. The future of Pi network will depend on how well it can balance these factors to create a sustainable and decentralized ecosystem. Section 6. Technical Analysis. Decoding Pi's Price Movements. Let's put on our technical analysis hats for a moment and decipher the cryptic language of charts and indicators. What can these technical signals tell us about Pi's price movements and potential future trajectory? Some analysts point to a double bottom pattern forming on Pi's price chart, suggesting a potential reversal and upward momentum in the near future. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, a momentum oscillator, currently sits at 47, indicating a neutral market sentiment, neither overbought nor oversold. However, the Average Directional Index, or ADX, a measure of trend strength, remains low at 20, suggesting a lack of strong directional momentum. Pi's price action also reveals an ascending channel within a triangle pattern, hinting at potential growth if the upper trend line is breached. Section 7. Growth Factors. What could drive Pi's value? Despite the challenges and uncertainties surrounding Pi network, several factors could potentially drive its value and adoption in the future. One significant driver could be a broader recovery in the overall cryptocurrency market. As institutional interest in cryptocurrencies continues to grow and regulatory clarity emerges, the entire market could experience a surge in demand, benefiting projects like Pi network. Addressing the concerns surrounding tokenomics and supply will also be crucial for Pi's long-term success. Clear communication from the Pi core team, addressing community concerns and outlining their plans to mitigate potential price dilution, could go a long way in building trust and confidence. Section 8. Upcoming events. Stay tuned for Pi network news. Mark your calendars, Pi enthusiasts, because there are some exciting events on the horizon that could shed further light on Pi network's future. One notable event is Nicholas Kokalis's, one of Pi's founders, speaking engagement at Consensus 2025 in Toronto. This highly anticipated conference brings together leading figures in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, providing a platform for industry leaders to share their insights and announce major developments. Could Kokalis's presentation unveil groundbreaking news for Pi network? Only time will tell. Keep an eye out for announcements regarding potential listings on Tier 1 cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Upbit. Listing on these prominent platforms would significantly enhance Pi's liquidity and accessibility, potentially attracting a wave of new investors and users. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of Pi network. As we've explored, Pi network is at a pivotal juncture in its journey. The project has come a long way since its inception, gaining a significant user base and making strides in blockchain technology. The project faces both challenges and opportunities as it strives to establish itself as a leading player in the decentralized future. These challenges include regulatory hurdles, technological advancements, and market competition. The recent whale activity, while sparking both excitement and concern, highlights the growing interest in Pi's potential. This interest is a testament to the project's promise and the community's belief in its future. The Mainnet migration will undoubtedly be a defining moment for Pi network. This transition is crucial as it will determine the network's ability to operate independently and securely. A successful transition to a fully operational, decentralized blockchain could pave the way for widespread adoption and unlock the true value of the Pi ecosystem. This would enable users to fully utilize Pi for transactions, services, and more. However, transparency, communication, and a commitment to addressing community concerns will be paramount in navigating this critical phase. The team must ensure that users are well informed and that their feedback is taken into account. So what does the future hold for Pi Network? Only time will tell. The project's success will depend on its ability to adapt and grow in an ever-evolving digital landscape. But one thing's for sure. This intriguing project has captured the imagination of millions, and its journey will continue to be one worth watching closely. The community's passion and dedication are driving forces behind its progress. Stay tuned, folks, because things are about to get even more interesting in the world of Pi. The next chapter in Pi Network's story promises to be filled with innovation, challenges, and exciting developments.